Hi friends, this video shows how to record video of the object which focused. So in this video I'll be using this testing slide, and this is blood cells, human blood cells. So I have focused it properly. So let me try to capture one video using mobile phone. Take mobile phone, then open camera, then go to video mode. So I'm going to record it. So we can place this camera like this. See, so let me record. This is the object. See, now we can clearly see that. So this way we can record video of the object which focused. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Let me stop the recording and check the video. So this is a video which I recorded. Let me play this. See. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.